classes, seminars, and lectures through spiritualanswersandSolutions.com. All our classes, seminars, and lectures, everything that you'll find in that shop, has 1 or 2 classes that you need to take or pre-courses that you need to take. After that, all the other classes listed in that section are optional. It's up to you. So if you're interested in the mind-to-mind abilities, there's a pre-course that you need. It's complimentary. And it gives you everything that you need for the class, the different worksheets that you'll be using depending on the downloads that you're listening to. And, of course, they have the one that's number 2, and that's the one that erases all your programs, anything negative that you have in your mind, and makes mind-to-mind simple and easy. So between the 1 and 2 courses, you have the workbooks that you need, all the worksheets, all the direction. And then after that, any of the classes that you want to purchase, that you want to take, are complete unto themselves. So if you wanted to take Give Me a Sign and get a message from Spirit, or actually it's from that person, you could do that. If you were trying to contact someone or have somebody come visit you or call you, you could do either of those. So each and every one of these classes are different. They're all optional, and you can choose whichever one that you would like. We have a variety of courses and classes in the classes, seminars, and lectures. Some come with a big manual, which is a PDF, and other ones come with a book that's a JPEG, that's in images. They look great on your device, and it'll give you all the instructions that you need for any of the classes that you want to take. So the Light the Earth is a good example of that, and it comes with a big Light the Earth manual, and it has 3 downloads in the first course, and then after that. So you take that one, and then after that, it'll give you the foundation and the layout for any and all of the other classes that you want to take. If you wanted to take Abundance or Creative Energy, or even have Happy Earth Day, isn't that cute? Also, in the different sections of the classes, you'll find affirmation images and diary sets. All the affirmation images, the positive affirmation diary sets, those are always complimentary. They're always free. And some of them actually have videos, too, that go with them. Pretty neat. So whichever class that you're interested in, just make sure that you get the first one so that you know what you're doing. You'll have the worksheets in front of you because each and every one of the classes are different, and you'll be doing different things in your mind. And you'll have to write out everything that you want to know, or what you're trying to figure out, or what you're trying to create before you listen to the course. And after you listen to it, then you get up and you write down all the messages that you got, all the visions, the next steps, all that good stuff. Now, when you're looking at the children's downloads, those are different. The little children's classes, they don't need the manual because they're children. So those have everything that you need in the download itself. It'll talk to them and tell them and teach them through audio. But for all the adults out there, you need the first book that goes with each and every one of them, so you know exactly what you're going to be doing. So again, it's the classes, seminars, and lectures through spiritualanswersandSolutions.com, and try. A lot of them are free. So the introduction classes, many of them are complimentary, so you have an idea of what they're like. Some of them actually give you meditation examples of what you'll be doing. And always, the affirmation ebooks and the positive affirmation diary sets are always complimentary. The Journaling 2 classes are fabulous. It's a lot of journaling, obviously, but there's also some great ones for different times of the year. There's some that are always on sale. There's some like the Leaping Ahead set. It was inspired by leap year, so it goes with a couple of the other classes and downloads, but that set itself is complimentary. So go, check it out, look at the Journaling 2 if you're a journaler and if you like to write. It's perfect. It teaches you how to create with what you're writing. The Creating with Light is using your spiritual light, lighting the earth. You do your spiritual light again. And then, of course, we have all the ones that you visualize things, and the What's the Message series is where you get messages from spirit, from nature, and from yourself. So go check them out. We're always adding new courses and classes. Just make sure whichever one that you get the first one, the foundation class, and then do all the other ones. Happy creating!